Hey guys, welcome back. During this module, we're gonna show you how to replace an air filter that's gonna save you tons of money. All you need is one tool, flathead screwdriver. Let's hop right into this. All right guys, so today we're gonna remove the air filter, and what you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver to start removing. There are 2 bolts here, which I've already loosened up. What I'm gonna do is there's 2. You wanna remove them. Once you remove them, you're gonna open it up. It should slide right, the first part will slide out. And then here's your air filter. There should be a tab here, you pull, and the air filter comes out that easy. Once you get it removed, you can inspect it, maybe clean it, or just replace it. And it's that easy. Literally take less than 5 minutes to do. And this will save you quite a bit of money. So hopefully that this module was helpful. We have more to come. I'll see you at the next module.